Here's my schluter ditra uncoupling membrane, just so that if anybody asks if I have ditra under my tile, the answer is yes. Do I like the ditra? Yes. Is it way more expensive? Yes. Is it going to keep my tile from cracking? Yes, that's what they say. The jury's still out on that because I haven't used ditra before. I've always just installed the cement backer board, but as far as installation ease and speed, ditra blows the backer board out of the water. Okay, but it's pricey. Now, what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to keep the cracks from coming up and cracking your tiles. So we'll see. It's a little bit difficult because then you're going to get bubbles as you're putting it down. So what I did is I just take and I cut it right there. I don't know if I did the right thing or the wrong thing. I'm not necessarily trying to keep this floor waterproof because how am I supposed to waterproof around this vent right here? So if I would have thought of this earlier, I would have told the HVAC contractor, I would have said, put the vent up inside the wall so that I can actually waterproof my floor. But then if you waterproof the floor, because the ditra is inherently waterproof, it's just plastic, but then you have to put a band of Curdy on the seams, which it's like, that's just going to be creating extra work for me in here because I can't make it waterproof because of that vent. So that's why I didn't do that, but in theory you can. Okay, so there's the ditra. Here's my kitchen. It has ditra down under the schluter ditra uncoupling membrane. It has it under all the tiles, and of course that's still super messy because we're getting ready to grout it. We got some cleanup to do, but I like how the tiles line up. These large format tiles, they say that you can't do the half overlap, you have to do the third overlap, so that's why I did that. But I kind of like that stair step design. From this side you have the small steps, and then you look over here this way, and then you have the big steps. And I made sure I snapped a line so all those line up. Super happy with that. And then over here in the bathroom, this is grouted. That's the finished product. I mean, it's messy because we're up in here. This is our construction toilet, but I got the toilet installed. And the baseboard. And yes, this has the ditra under it too. So I'm going crazy with all the schluter profiles and the ditra. I got my tile saw right there. I was gonna buy the DeWalt tile saw, but the reviews I read on Amazon said the rigid is better. It costs less money and it's better. So I usually buy DeWalt tools, but I'm glad I bought the rigid because I like everything that the tile saw does for me. I think I made a good investment there. So anyway, if you've been watching the videos over the years, this is my residence, and slow going because I'm just paying for it as I go, but we're getting close now. Thanks for watching.